Nie ber nie drogi, a nie żerki Xanax. Mamy ich wiele, no niech nie to na nas. Говорим, nie rob to co narkomana.
Assalamu alaikum, Abdul Haseeb here. Actually, I'm here to give an interview to Taha, the interviewer. He's really a good guy. He's really doing a good stuff. He's actually taking the interviews of many of the people. So he's just trying to build up his confidence. So like his page, keep supporting him, keep him on his circle, keep supporting. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Taha. Today I am interviewing an electrical engineer. I will ask him some questions about his studies, his careers and his favorite things. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Abdul Haseeb.
Tell us something about your background.
Well, I was born to a mediocre family. I was born in January 20th, 1990. I've done electrical engineering from Comsets University, Lahore, and now I'm doing MSc from University of Central Punjab. Well, if I tell you about my little background, okay, I was in class 5 when I left the school. Then I joined madrasa from, you can say from 2000, from year 2000 to year 2004. I did not go to school, just as I've missed grade 6, grade 7 and grade 8. Then I got admission in beginner school system in grade 9. From there I did my metric. After that I got admission in Christian Model Higher Secondary School. From there I have done pre-engineering, intermediate, and after that I got admission in electrical engineering in Comsets University, Lahore.
Why did you choose to become an electrical engineer?
Why did I choose to become an electrical engineer? The reason behind this is from year 2010 to 2015, there was an evolution. The evolution in terms of electronics, in terms of power sector, and you know, from at our time when we were used to be of your age, like when I was around 15 to 16 years of age, we did not have internet that fast that it is right now. It's all because of the evolution of that time. The internet, like 3G, 4G, the power sector, there used to be load shedding every 1 hour after 1 hour. Like we got electricity like in alternate hours. So this is why the engineers have to, you know, do something. The engineers have to become real steadfast in case to provide all these facilities just to, you know, enhance the economical capacity of all like of these things.
Tell us something about your job.
My job is, well, I'm a junior engineer. I'm assisting actually project managers, senior electrical engineers, chief engineers. I'm working as a junior engineer on a project which is known as construction of 14.4 megawatt Jing hydropower project. This project is located in Azad Kashmir. The potential of hydropowers are actually on areas which have mountain valleys and the rivers. So my project is runoff river. So I'm actually working on a short transmission line which is going to connect the powerhouse to the outgoing line just to evacuate the 14.4 megawatt power.
What are your strengths and weaknesses?
Well, I don't know what my strengths are, to be honest. But if you ask me about my weaknesses, I have a number of those. The first weakness I think that I have is I do not have a clear voice. If I have to explain something to someone, I have to be real clear about that. And at the time of that speech, you know, in my mind there is a big thing that I think that I would going to deliver to someone. But when it's time to speak out, it just comes out at this little much. So I'm working on that. The other thing is I lose confidence. Wherever I have to be real strong, I lose confidence over there. But still I work a lot. So I think coping with all these situations, tough situations, is I think my strength.
What are your short-term and long-term goals?
Well, I've just started MSc from University of Central Punjab. My short-term goal is to complete it as early as I can.
Tell us something about your hobbies and favorite sports.
Well, my hobbies are a lot. Like I like to travel, I like to hang out with friends, I like to play. And if you talk about my traveling, I've traveled a lot. As far as Pakistan is concerned, I've traveled the whole Pakistan. I think I've covered the whole major cities that lies in Pakistan. For example, I've traveled from north of Pakistan to Karachi, from Lahore to Peshawar, and I've seen the major cities which are in Pakistan. And to be honest, if I tell you, Pakistan is beautiful. And now my other hobbies are like I eat a lot. I don't look like I eat a lot, but still. And then I like to hang out with my friends. For example, when the weekend comes, so I plan with my friends to let's hang out to go somewhere out. For example, to have a coffee or to have a dinner, a good dinner with the family as well. So these are my hobbies. And if you ask me about my favorite sports, yes, cricket is there. I love cricket. 24/7. If you ask me to play cricket, I'm good in bowling, I'm good in fielding. I'm not a good batsman actually. And I like volleyball, I like football, I like swimming. I've swum a lot.
Thank you for your precious time.
No problem, you're welcome.